I am crossing the bridge with Ate. So their snack bar is now open and it looks different from here. So this is again the entrance way, guys. If you haven't watched my vlog, this is where you get your tickets. And then this is still the same. The difference lang kay yung flower. Yeah. It's my fourth time. I already forgot. Ah, this is the cafe. Let's go here. We're already here, guys, so you can see the whole of Cagayan de Oro and the huge kois. Very huge. Let's go down.
Turtles in here.
There's a lot of turtles. They're so cute. But there's no water in here. Yeah. You cannot enter. So this one is new. Casey's Kitchen Cafe. Let's go down. Mike, slowly, Mike. We can just sit here and just watch the sun go down. Ah, Hugo's Diner is there. That is the swimming pool. I remembered my very first vlog here, and they are building that. Very nice though. So nice. We are here at Amaya View, and the all-access, all-in sightseeing, guys, is 400 for adults and 300 for kids. So you can have an access to Noah's Ark, Larry's Hill, Cafe, the Hanging Bridge, is it the Vineyard? The kids are playing. You're going to the cafe to have coffee, of course. That is Noah's Ark from Romana Cafe. And below that is the aviary. So that is the hanging bridge, guys. From here, going to the Noah's Ark.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined.
Hadlok gid siya. Mamugnaw na, okay ra ba? Mamugnaw lang imong kamot, tin maningot siya, inga na lang. Oo, te. Kaning glass. Really scary though. But 10 people can 10 people can stand here.
This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care.
10 people can stand on the glass together.
Your love is
Hadlo kayo.
I used to worry about my options,
Very
worry about my
scary.
options. Yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much.
It's a different one.
But with you,
Ay! Ow! What it's called? It has a crown. Oh, wow!
know if it's love.
That's why 400 because
And oh, look at the horns. It's really odd, that sound they make. Is the tiger there? Still there?
I'm going to go because there's like some.
Yeah, you just cough a little. Ah! Oo, te, oo. That's very loud. And they're very small. Hindi sila mahadlok sa tao, no? Lagi, no?
Sila mamaak. Very good.
Oh, they're not afraid of humans. Hala, oo. Di sila madagan. Ay, dagan. Mulupad, oh. Hala, it's so cute, ate. Oh, oh. Oh. Can I have it, ate? Hala, you're so cute. Come here, come here. No, you can, you give your hand. Give your hand. Give your hand. Give your hand, kuya. You're afraid? You give your hand. No, it's red.
Daw na siya pagbantay daw kay mangihi.
Mangihi?
Oo,
Oh. It's really nice. Guys, it's really huge here. Look at the chicken. Oh, they're just all over the place. The small ones should be really huge, but very small. Wow. Hello guys. Pony. The pony. The pony has a big tummy. Talk about the Amaya. Which one do you like? The bird that shouts?
I like that green bird.
The green bird? Look at the chicken. It's so small. Aya.
Wait, that's one.
Wow! Oh, that one? It's not clear here, but it's yellow and red. Wow! Hey, where are you going, guys? Hey, the three of you, where are you going? Hey, where are you going, guys? Chasing the chicken. Hey, guys. Hi. They get really long. Look, oh. Ba, oh. Yeah, ang color niya, diba? Sky blue. Yellow-green. Oh.
Lovebirds? Oo, pamilya sa lovebird.
Cute ka ilang colors, ate.
Maganda yan saon.
Chicken, are you laying eggs? Hala, look. She got eggs. Do not kuan, kuya. Go close, kuya. She got eggs, oh. Oh.
Mabugok na
Wait,
ba?
ha.
Klaro kayo.
There, oh.
Ayaw, kuya. Ayaw.
You get eggs.
Dasin mo nila.
Hey guys.
Hit kay ni sila kauno.
How's your lunch, guys? Mote.
This is the cleanest meat. Diba?
Oo, te,
But ang hit sa kauno. Pero lang
Just trying to kaunan din.
this is the cleanest meat.
All these.
Yeah. The baka are here. Hey, Bucks. The real Noah's Ark has only one window, and all of the leaves got names. Why? Rolf, Adriatica, Ma'am, Labic. Why did you write your name here? So init. So hot. Wow. Yeah. So this is inside Noah's Ark in the year 2022. Before the birds are here, guys. The live they got also here some of the live birds, but what? This one again is the highest peak, 122 above sea level.
Oh, let me start because I'm wrong.
We're up in the Noah's Ark, guys, and this is how the view looks like in 2022 in a sunny day. Let's go there. And this is the view on the other side of the ark. Oh! Look at that!
Hey, crocodile.
Look at that! Scary. Oh. So this is the other side of the ark. Really huge. We're going back to the restaurant.
When it grows, one of the boys is not a part of the
Mao ni siya ang waiting area gite. So we will go back there, guys, in the restaurant. We'll go there. Let's go to the rock chapel. Oh, this one is really nice.
Namin siya nga iya na po i-pray.
Let's go up. Wow, look at that. Ooh. I have this one in my very first video from here. Going up.
Siguro kay mo gid
You have the excitement on the inside.
Nahanap ko kay ako gid siya screen nga mas pay ko pero wa man siya nga pa dako magud ka gasto. It takes siguro 60,000
Let's do that too.
Oh, we cannot do that. 3 or 4.
dito sila mo landing. Just wait.
So we already got our food. We have crispy pata, malasugi sinigang. We have Caesar salad and seafood. Ana, okay na? Thank you. Seafood rice and plain rice. We are already done having our lunch and we are now waiting for the shuttle going to the rock chapel. So after that we will go to the Vineyard and then to the Laris Hill. So the shuttle is here. Guys, this is the rock chapel. So that's how the rock chapel is.
gonna crash.
looks like. That's how the rock chapel looks like. So we're going back. We're not gonna go down.
Ini diri, ini ako ng park. Wow.
So this is how the vineyard looks like, guys. Oo, no? Pila siya ka months? Pila siya ka months nga?
3 months, mom.
3 months siya nga na bunga. And then all the rest, ano na?
Every 3 months.
Every 3 months. Okay.
Yung sa 1 year na.
1 year.
1 year ka. 1 year of 3 months. Basta kayo na.
Oh, I see.
Kapag siya kabungahan.
Kaupat na.
December, kalima na.
So we will go back because there's no more grapes here. We just took pictures. Ayan, gipron siya. Air condition. There. We cannot go in. But those are strawberries. So cute. Yeah. Guys, it's a different look na. Different look already. It's nice. So ito, different po siya sa all access. Then that one for $250.